If you think the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is just another mild facelift, think again. This isn't a lazy mid-cycle refresh. Mazda didn't just slap on a new grille and call it a day. They've gone back to the drawing board and rebuilt one of their most important SUVs from the ground up. And in doing so, they've sent a clear message to the industry. The CX-5 isn't just keeping up anymore. It's leading. Let's start with the design because you will notice it. Mazda didn't throw away the CX-5's styling DNA. Why would they? It's one of the best-looking compact SUVs on the road. Instead, they sharpened it, refined it, evolved it. The stance is lower, wider, and more planted. Up front, there's a bolder, more sculpted grille, bigger, cleaner, more confident. It's framed by slim, blade-like LED headlights that look like they were carved by a laser. Along the sides, the classic coupe-like sweep is still there, but the body panels are smoother, the creases are tighter, and the entire silhouette gives off serious premium vibes. It's still unmistakably Mazda, but now it feels dressed for the future. But let's be real, the biggest news is under the hood. For the first time ever, the CX-5 gets a fully in-house hybrid system built by Mazda. For Mazda, this isn't borrowed Toyota tech. This is Mazda engineering through and through. At the heart of it is their brand new Sky Active Z engine, a next four-cylinder that officially kicks off Mazda's plan to retire their older Sky Active G and X engines. So why is this a big deal? Because Mazda is promising something rare, a hybrid that doesn't kill the fun. Cleaner emissions, better fuel economy, and that classic connected, responsive driving feel that Mazda fans love. This isn't just about ticking the eco box, about proving you don't have to choose between efficiency and enjoyment. And this is just the first chapter. Expect more Z-powered hybrids across the lineup in the coming years. Mazda's also making life easier for buyers. Instead of flooding the market with a confusing lineup of trims that differ by one or two features, they're streamlining the CX-5 range. Fewer trims, smarter packages, and more standard equipment. Translation: less decision fatigue, more value for your money. And if you're wondering how important this car really is, just look at the numbers. Globally, the CX-5 is a heavy hitter. In Australia, it was the third best-selling midsize SUV in 2023. That's huge, so it makes sense Mazda would go all-in on getting this one right. This isn't just about staying competitive, it's about grabbing even more market share. Now, Mazda hasn't revealed every interior detail yet, but if their recent models are anything to go by, you can expect a cabin that's clean, calm, and driver-focused. Premium materials like soft-touch surfaces, brushed metal, and available leather will set the tone. A large high-res center display, a fully digital gauge cluster, wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and smart storage solutions will all be part of the package. It's minimal, but it's not basic. And of course, this is Mazda, so you know the driving experience is front and center. The CX-5 has always been one of the most engaging SUVs in its class, and now they're dialing that up. The hybrid powertrain brings smoother acceleration. The chassis has been retuned for sharper handling. The cabin is quieter. The ride is more refined. This is still the driver's crossover, just smarter, cleaner, and more comfortable than ever. Since its debut in 2012 and its major redesign in 2016, the CX-5 has been the go-to for people who want style, comfort, and reliability but refuse to settle for boring. And now, with the 2026 redesign, Mazda has taken everything people already loved and layered on future-ready tech, a cleaner powertrain, and a design that looks every bit as premium as it feels.